Alright guys, what's up? Back with another technology video, and today I thought I would just show you my new PC component parts. I am missing one component, and that is the case, so I cannot build it, but once I get the case, that will be a new series on my channel, so stay tuned for that. So first up, we have the Gigabyte G1 Gaming GeForce GTX 960, the 4GB DDR5 WindForce edition. I was going to go with the 970 because that is the base graphics card you need for virtual reality, but however, it was not in my price point. This is, my first PC build that I'm doing, but that's okay. There's room to upgrade in the future, even though my setup is a micro ATX setup. That is just because I can transfer it and when I travel and do all that, just in case if I need to take it for whatever reason. So that is the graphics card. And first I'll be showing you the boxes and everything that I have, and then I'll be unboxing them. Then I'll do a separate video for the case itself when that comes in. But alright, so there's the graphics card. Then we move on to the power supply. We got the EVGA 500 watt 80 plus certified 500 watt power supply. I mean, this thing, I did not expect power supplies to be so big. Oh, it is a modular one apparently. I mean, it says that on the back here. I'll show you guys later, but it's still really big. And then for a hard drive, we have the Seagate 2TB desktop hard drive disk. Nothing big, just standard. I had to go with the 2 TB, excuse me, because of recordings and all the games that I'm gonna have on my computer. And sorry for any noise you hear in the background. There are some people over at my house right now that are quite loud. And then for my RAM, I have the Sniper, the G.Skill Sniper RAM DDR3, nothing big. 1280. It's not the fastest speed, but I assumed I'd be okay. If not, then I'll just have to go pick up some more RAM. Probably like 1860 for like 40-60 bucks. It is 8 gigabytes, just the basics of what I need. I'll upgrade it later. My motherboard does have room for 4 slots of RAM. So, and then we have the AMD Athlon. Oh, move my skull candies to the side. Sorry about that, guys. We have the AMD Athlon. It's a multi-core. The X4 860K Black Edition. So it's 3.7 gigahertz base, and then it's overclockable to 4 gigahertz. Now, I don't have an aftermarket cooler, or water cooling, so I don't see myself overclocking anytime soon, because like I said, this is just my starter build, and that's okay. But yeah, these are the main components. Obviously, we're missing my motherboard, and then if we come over here, this is the motherboard, the micro ATX motherboard, the F2A88XM-D3H motherboard, ultra durable 4+, ultra cool, ultra performance, ultra safe. Now I just want to show you guys as a of what I usually work with my recording and my laptop and all that I have. So let me go ahead and exit to my desktop really fast. So, alright. So there's my Elgato, my Razer Naga Epic Chroma, and my Lenovo PC. Now this thing, it's the G50. It's got an AMD A6 processor on it. I mean, it was nothing big. It cost me like 300 bucks, if that. I don't remember. And here are the mono prices. I still use those. Here's the adapter for that and the charger for the Razer. So, and then here's my my Lenovo keyboard. But yeah, I mean, I'll bring it back to you guys after I've cleared my desk off and have space to unbox everything. So stay tuned for that. Alright, we're back. And we have all the components on the desk here. Let me go ahead and move some stuff around a little. So I just pretty much pushed everything to the back of my desk here. Now here's an idea of what my setup looks like if you guys are wondering. I've got this 32-inch HDMI TV, this little desk, this computer. Usually the computer's hooked up to the TV. I'm getting a new desk. It'll go probably around this wall here, which is not, I mean, it's a pretty big wall, so that's okay. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into it, starting with the AMD Athlon X4 860K CPU. And before I do that, let me get my knife. Alrighty guys, so I got my knife. And we want to be extremely careful when we do this, so just simply there, put the on here and there we go. Try to do that as casual as we could. So actually, before we open this bad boy up, show you all the sides of it and all that first. There's the CPU there. Go on, focus. There we go. In the back, all your information. Let's put that to the side and just clean off a space. We're gonna clean off a space here. Alrighty, there we go. I'm actually going to sit down to get a better angle for you guys. So here we are. Let's go ahead and open that up. So this is the cooler, just normal cooler. No big deal. And then inside the box, I'm not going to take it out, guys, because I don't want to ruin anything. You know what? It's in a thing. I forgot. So it is in a plastic. See, I can touch it without hurting it because it's in the plastic. Don't worry, guys. Then there's those almighty pins that you never want to touch. But, so that is the CPU. Again, the AMD Athlon X4 860K Black Edition. So, and then it does come with a advanced micro devices. So pretty much a startup guide and whatnot. Very standard. And you do get a little sticker in there. So let's go ahead and put everything back in the box. Actually, you know what? Yeah, we're going to put everything back in the box. No, we're not. I lied. We're just going to put it up on this little ledge thing up here. Here we go. Next up is the RAM. The 8 gigabytes of RAM. Pretty nice packaging, you know. There's your information. So this is fairly simple to open. All you have to do is pop that up. There, folds in like that. You've got this cardboard information and a little sticker right there, G-Skill. And then you've got the RAM itself. Oh, I can't get it out of the box right now. So, or I guess we're not. But that's what it looks like. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Let's get this sticker out. Go ahead and put that back there. Put that up there. Put the sticker up there too. There we go. And just because it's the first thing I could reach, Next thing is the motherboard, and I do have to be kind of careful with this because there might be some static around that I don't want it to, but I'm not going to take it out of the anti-static plastic, or maybe I will, we'll see. So on the side, Gigabyte, ultra durable, blah blah blah, there's that information that you guys don't really need, but you guys saw it, but it doesn't matter because I'm going to be using it anyways. And then there's some more information, your features, everything else. And on the back you get what the board itself looks like, you know, and all the specs pretty much, and everything it can do, and all the ports. And on the other side is the exact same thing. So once you open it up, just like any other motherboard box, you get your shield. Go ahead and put that aside. You get your connectors. What is this? Is this SATA? I don't know. It doesn't matter. Yeah, it's SATA. There, see? And then you get some more SATA cables. So cool. You get your installation guidebook. You get your user manual, and it comes with the CD to install the drivers, I do believe. And then under that, be very careful, guys. There we go. I might have to set the camera down for 1 second, guys. Alright, I'm so sorry about that, but doing things with one hand is always a pain. So I'm not going to take this out because I don't want to open it up. I don't want to do anything. But you can kind of see what it looks like. I know it's kind of hard. I mean, you got your... Yeah. Yep, so I was right. You do have 4 slots for DDR. Or for RAM, you can whatever. DDR3, DDR4, it does not matter. You've got a lot of ports over here. There we go. It's so hard to see. And when I start building my computer, I will show you guys this more. So you've got 2 USB 3.0s right there. No, that's HDMI. Sorry. There we go. You've got your audio. You've got, what is that? I can't tell. I'm trying to look through the camera to see if I can get a better view. Your Ethernet ports and just 2 USB 2.0 ports. And you've got your HDMI, your DVI, and VGA. And then over here you've got some more USBs, 2.0s right there. And then that thing. I say it that way because who uses that anymore? Alright, so that is the motherboard. Next, actually I'm going to open the box up here and put this bad boy back in the box. Just going to set it like that and put it on a hard surface so it does not conduct any electricity. Right there. There we go. Put all of its components right there on the laptop. Next, we have the hard drive. Like I said, it is the Gate. It's got 74,000 RPM, or 7,400, excuse me guys. 3.5, that's the base size. There we go. There's all the information, blah blah blah. I mean, you don't really need to see that, but I'm going to be using it, so I'm okay with showing it. There's your specifications, your requirements, everything in this Windows 10 compatible. That's what I'm going to be putting on my computer. Up here you've got your little tape, and you've got a 2 years manufacturer warranty. That is not with wherever you buy it from. That is the manufacturer itself. Keep that in mind. Let's go ahead and open that. And this is what the packaging looks like. There we go. Let's go ahead and pop that. And then this is pretty cool. It's a little protective stuff. And you know what? I did not know it came in a anti-dust, anti-everything thing, just like motherboards do. Let's go ahead and put it down there. That's pretty cool. You know, pretty heavy, pretty heavy. So you got your desktop HDD. Just flip this over for it's easier. Seagate, 2 GB SATA. Everything you really need. And there's some information there. In the box, you've got your user manual. Pretty much, I had to do everything. And warranty information, all that. So let's go ahead and throw that back in the box. Put this bad boy back in the box, and I know I didn't show you. This is where all the components are. Be careful with that side. Let's go ahead and put that back in the box. And if you guys are curious, I'll put a link in the description where you can purchase everything and how much it came out to in total, in the link in the description, because off of my memory, I do not remember. I kind of bought these separate from, I mean, it was a couple days in between, but I bought them from different places. Like this I got from Best Buy, this I got Newegg, I got at Fry's, the graphics card I got at Fry's, and then I got the power supply on Newegg. So let's go ahead and close that. Oh, see, this is what I'm talking about. Gotta be careful. Got to be careful with your components, guys. Let's go ahead and put that. Actually, this I can put back there because it's on the. Alright, so here, next is the power supply, the big dude. 500 watts, yay. Here we go. There's some information on the back. It tells you everything you need to know. It's, you know, it's got quiet fans, it's a modular, 80 plus certified, as I said before. There we go, there we go. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Just use a knife really fast too. Right there. There we go. Let's go ahead and I'll be quiet so you guys can listen to it. Oh yeah. There we go. So the plastic to the side, and guys, if you're wondering, obviously, like I said, this was and is my first PC build that I'm going to do myself. So if you guys want to throw any tips below to help me for when I start building, I will be recording that, by the way. I would love for you guys to do that. Give me some tips. Just like any build, the graphics card is the most expensive unless you're looking for the CPU to be the expensive. And make sure, this is what I was having trouble on, make sure everything is compatible. I had to go through pretty much days of research before I started buying stuff. So make sure everything is compatible, guys. Let's go ahead and, alright. Oh, this isn't gonna work. You know, they always say don't bring the knife towards you, but you know what I say to that? I say that I can't even open the box, so YOLO. Okay, so this isn't working. Why can't I open this? Oh, that's why. I hate how they did this tape, guys. I'm gonna have to put this down for 1 second. I'm so sorry, guys. Like I said, I'm one-handed. So let's go ahead and put that down. Alright, just because I'm a stupid person, I tried to cut through it, you know, it didn't work. I ripped the box just a tad right there on the flabby thingy part. I said that just because I caught myself stupid. I figured you pull the tape out or back and it opens it up. So here we go. Nice presentation like usual. I'm a big presentation guy. Oh my god. It smells amazing. That's weird. Alright. You've got your start guide or manual guide like usual. Put that to the side. Here you've got flabby thing, and there went my RAM. Alright, my RAM's broken, so I'm gonna have to go buy new ones. No, not really, but alright. You've got your power supply here. I'm not gonna unwrap it because I don't see a point. I don't have my case yet, but I will, you know. I'm just gonna leave it in the box. I'm sorry, guys. Pretty big. There it is. This says it was a modular version, but well, hang on, guys. Hang on. Listen. Oh, it's not doing it. Oh, yeah. Anyways, here's all the cords, cables, all that crud. Cool. And here's some screws taped to the bag. That's the tip in the case. Very neat, very neat. Let's go ahead and close that back up. Put that there. Go ahead and close this baby up. Alright, there we go. Next, save the best for last. The G1 Gaming GeForce GTX 960. So let's go ahead and just open that up. Slide it out of the box here. Go to the box there. Go G1 Gaming, and there's nothing on the sides or the bottom. Open it up. You got this nice styrofoam protecting it, and you've got it anti-dust, anti-static there. So let's go ahead and open that. Put that right there on the box, and then you've got this little flap thingy here. Give you your connectors, your right there. You've got your quick start guide. I do believe that's it. Yep. See if there's anything else in here. Nope, that's it, guys. So we got that. Go ahead and throw. Oh, sorry. We got a disc there too. There we go. A disc. Yes. Good. Go ahead and put that back properly, of course. Here we go. And like I said, I'm not going to take it out of its bag because I do not want to damage it. And I'm like a little baby and can't afford anything else. So let's go ahead and close this here. And there we go. Closed. Now this graphics card cost me $260 at Fry's. You can find it a little cheaper on Amazon, I do believe. Put a link in the description. You got your WindForce. I know it's really hard to see, and I'm sorry about that, guys, but you do not want to take it out of this plastic. And it says WindForce there. Got your components there. And the one thing I really did like about this is, and I guess a lot of people do like, is the shield on the back. It's not plastic, it's metal. I don't want to beat on it, whatever, too much. And you've got the little G1 Gaming Gigabyte thing here. You've got a little, that's where you open it, but I'm not going to do that. This is really nice. And then you've got your little thingy there. But this shield that protects it looks really nice. It gives it that clean look. And I know it lights up when you plug it in and everything's working. It does light up, and it'll light up there. It'll say WindForce and lights. I believe on the sides of that it'll also say WindForce. But yeah, guys, so that was it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please leave a thumbs up. and subscribe to my channel, as well as give me tips for building everything, because I have no idea what I'm doing. I've been looking up PC builds for about a couple days now. I have a general idea, but doing it and looking it up is completely different. And this will be my first PC build, so I'm pretty happy and I'm excited and also scared at the same time. But guys, I love you all to death. Thank you for watching my videos and continuing to support my channel. With this build, I will be able to play all the new games 100%. I'll have all my recording thing, everything I need to stream, to do anything, perfectly set up. No more lag, no more anything, no more, you know. But yeah, I'll put a link in the description to buy everything, and the full cost probably in the description of this video or the title of this video. I don't know, we'll see. First PC build. But yeah, thank you so much. I love you guys. See ya.